Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm sorry if this video comes out kind of shaky. And I know it's a new year, which is awesome. This year hopefully will be a great year for everyone, including me. So anyways, I'm just gonna get straight to the point with this video. This video is about plans for the for this year 2018, of course. And basically I have a mod that I'm going to purchase this February, first or second week of February. Last year, guys, it was such a bad year for me. It was just insane. It was just, honestly, it was like it was crazy, guys. It was one of the worst years, and everything. Nothing bad happened to me health wise, which is great, but just financially, man, it was just, money had to go everywhere, let's just say that much. So anyway, back to the topic. Plans for this 2018. I have a mod coming for the car. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it a surprise, and that way, you know, if it's something that's easy to install, that won't take me too long, I'll do the install, and I'll do a vid for that. If I'm working and it's too much, if I'm working too much, I probably won't be able to do it. I'd rather do it myself if I can, and if I have the proper tools also. There's big things coming to the channel, guys, so don't miss out. I am going to also include a video. Hold on. Let's see if you guys can hear. Okay, so anyways, I am gonna include a video, a little exhaust clip, I guess, on this vid, so you guys can check it out. Although I wasn't able to go as fast as I'm going right now. I'm not really going that fast, but maybe 5 miles over. But on the other video, there was a police, camping out. So I was just doing speed limit. It's gonna be fun. This channel, I want to keep it fun. It's not just going to be about my Mustang. I will be going, I'm gonna try to go to meets and stuff like that. That way you guys can get some content on. I will say this though, I am not going to try to clickbait you guys, so don't worry about that. I won't be trying to clickbait you guys. Also, I have a project car. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like me to build it for the channel. Let me know in the comments, guys. I do read the comments. I also I like to interact with the people. I might not answer right away because maybe I'm asleep or something, but I try to stay active on social media. So just comment below, guys. Let me know what you think on that project car, and I'll do a review video of what it is and see if you guys like it. So with that being said, guys, that's the end of this video. Stay safe, have a great weekend, because it's the weekend today. I'll see you guys.